Hello, crafters around the world. This is Anne from Odulcina. Today we're gonna play with paper bags. The visual of this video is just to keep you busy while listening to. I want to talk about my website and shipping to the US, the situation with the tariffs right now. So I'm really just, if you're a US citizen, you might want to hear what I'm saying. For the others, you might just, by curiosity, you're going to know the content, but you can just look at what I'm doing and you're going to understand it all. I'm using the Big Shot machine with sizzlets to cut the papers. So I'm using paper bags, and I'm going to do different ephemeras to decorate the junk journal. All right, so what's going on with the tariffs from around the world to the US? I'm from Canada, so we have a new tariff of 35% to everything we ship to the US. So this week I had to take a hard decision, and it has been to close my shop on my website. Not the digital one, everything that needs shipping. No impact on my digital shop. But on my website, the shop that I have there with items to be shipped, I had to block the USA to be able to purchase. And I just hope it's temporarily in matters of little weeks to little months, but I don't know. I just don't know how long it's going to be. And it's not that I'm not willing to sell to the US. It's not because I hate the US. I love the US. I support all of that. But for me, it is a lot of time consuming, a lot of work, and the profit that I make on my items isn't worth it. So, because it's all new and it's all messy right now, nobody really knows how it works. I did 3 shippings of handmade products, and even if handmade products are not eligible to have the tariffs because of the Mexico, USA, and Canada accord of well, I don't know the name in English, but anyway, this is free of charge. And when it's handmade, it's local. But even though they charge a fee of $3 per order for shipping to the US, even if it's free of the tariffs. So, and in order to send something, every item I need to take a picture, let the AI of their tool scan it, analyze it, and it takes a few seconds, and then it gives me a description that I need to modify. I need to put the value there, and if it's an handmade product, I really need to make the description very clear, and then I get a fee or not a fee if it's handmade for the tariff of 35%. And then I need to pay it. I need to get an ID number. And then I need to go with my shipping company, which is Canada Post here. And I need to do the whole shipping, and I need to add that declaration ID number. At this point, I'm not even sure if that works great. I went to the postal office, and the lady there had no clue to confirm if the procedure was okay, even if I was following the instruction that Canada Post sent me. Now, on my website, I didn't find any way yet. I guess they have to program it and add a functionality to kind of add a tariff of 35% for US citizens only, or to products specifically only. Because in my situation, I would have a lot of products that I handmade at home. everything that is quick cut, printed for you, my handmade creations, there's a lot that are handmade and that would not have the tariff applied. But my fabric, my fancy yarns, they do not comply because they know that I don't do the fabric or the fancy yarns. Even if I do the packaging and even if for the fabric I do the design and I cut and I package, it's not sufficient for to have an exception on the tariff. So I really need a function on my website, which is hosted by Shopify, to be able to add a 35% on certain items and only for US citizens. And the 35% is so high that I cannot just boost all of my prices for everybody around the world to cover that fee. So I'm kind of stuck right now. And I just decided, okay, I just cannot ship right now to US. I cannot sell and ship to the US. And I just hope either this will all drop or the procedure to have the 35% will be a little bit easier and less time consuming for me right now. There won't be any additional fee for using the feature to calculate the tariff and get the declaration of the tariff. And that Shopify will allow me a feature to kind of have a 35% tariff on certain items only for US citizens only. So because of all of that, this is too messy right now and it's too complicated and it's not even feasible for me to ship to the US and sell to the US. So I'm really sorry. And this is really bad business wise for me because the website that the items that I was selling, it's not my main revenue, but it still counts, right? And US sales is a big part of my sales. So yeah, it's a big loss for me. So I'm gonna need to compensate and somehow, even at this point, I have a few handmade items that I creations that I've done, and I want to list them, and I feel shy that I'm gonna show you things that you won't be able to purchase as US citizens. So I just can't get it out. Anyway, I'll have to go through that and focus on maybe just get the inspiration. You won't be able to buy the handmade creations. Yeah, this is the situation right now. And I just want to reassure you Americans that I support that. I don't understand everything, but I understand enough that it kind of makes sense to me. And I hope it's temporary because it seems to me like it's more like to put pressure and to make things move around than being a permanent thing. But who knows, right? And anyway, if it's permanent, I mean, we can work with it, but the process needs to be developed. I need more functions on my website, and I need something that goes a little bit faster for postage services to make the declaration and everything. In the meantime, I just want to say I love you all, and I'm not upset. I don't have any hate, and especially even I don't understand people that would hate Americans because of Trump or the politics or the administration. You are all individual people who has nothing to do with those decisions. Look at me in Canada. I'm not proud of our politic and politicians and their decisions, but I'm a Canadian. So if someone would hate our politics and would hate me at the same time because of that, that would not be fair, right? Anyway, it's not in my nature to hate people. So, but just in case, I just want to reassure you, I love you all. No worries. new things are coming on my side that will be available to everyone because it's digital, but I am enabling YouTube memberships with special contents and special advantages or benefits to be a member of my YouTube channel. And I want to create online classes, and I'm gonna start sending mailing lists too if you're registered to my website. So I just want to develop a more personal relation with you all. So stay tuned. Lots of things are coming this fall. Have a good day. Bye bye.